Hello, welcome to the Bag Hag Digest. Hello, beautiful bag lovers. It's Trina here, back to you today with a reveal. Let's open this sucker. Okay, so here she is, this beautiful Lady Dior by Christian Dior in the M size, I imagine, in denim. This is a vintage piece, and these guys, as many of you may know, are a little bit pricey even when they're older, and I saw this, couldn't resist the price and got it, and there is a reason for the low price. This is in pretty fair condition. First of all, it smells like extreme must. There's a lot of work to be done here. Second of all, it's got some staining on the bottom that I gotta take care of. Third, it's quite tarnished on the silver. That should be fairly easy to do, so I think I'll tackle that first. And third, and unexpectedly, this is the first time I've actually seen a Lady Dior up front and personal. I didn't realize it was such a stiff bag. It's got some sort of, not cardboard, but probably, I don't know, some sort of lining in it to keep its shape, but this has been completely warped. So after I clean up the bag and the metal and get rid of the must, what I'm gonna do is probably store it for a while completely stuffed to see if I can't get back some of the original structure. Especially on this side, it dents forward, it's completely dented here, and this part here caves in. So there's a lot of work to do on this bag. But other than that, oh, and the must is bad, I just got a whiff of it. That's what you get for discounts though, and I love restoring stuff and I love a good bargain, and I did get this for an excellent bargain because I love bargain hunting. So I'm just gonna show this to you today as it is, and this gets stuck here too, I might have to grease it. There she is. I absolutely love it. Don't have a denim bag, don't have a Dior. Actually, I do have a Dior, another Dior, but this is my first Lady Dior, probably my last. We'll see how we go. And yeah, what do you think, guys? Is it nice? So not a review yet. I haven't used it, obviously. First impressions. Yeah, the seller said it was in fair condition. It's in fair condition. And for the price, yeah, it's what I expected. In fact, for the price, I think it was a bargain. And I'm gonna work on this and make her pretty again. So stay tuned, I'll let you know how that works out. Probably take a while though, because I'm getting busy with work and stuff. Anyway, that's it for now. Bag Hag signing out.